Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing the app called Crunchyroll, the biggest app and name in anime and manga. They have a huge selection of anime to watch for absolutely free, and you don't require to sign up on your Fire TV sticks and Android devices. Stay tuned, we'll show what this is all about. Okay guys, you may have heard of Crunchyroll, you may have not, but they do have an application which you can search for on the Amazon Store or the Google Play Store or the Nvidia Shield Store, and you get this fully functional D-pad functional Android application that does not require a mouse toggle. Now Crunchyroll is free by default for some of their anime. Not everything is free. If you sign up, you notice that you can't play an anime. It probably means you have to actually pay for it. Now, by default, you can get the 14 days for free and see what they offer, which will basically unlock every single anime, and even the airing ones, which you usually can't watch with a free account, you'll get it instantly. But by default, when you have Crunchyroll, only the animes that are finished, or the old animes, or the ones that are recently finished, you can watch the free episodes. And the collection they have is actually really, really huge. So if I go to anime here, for example, you can search by genre, popular animes, alphabetical, so this will kind of go on forever. And then you can search, of course, by the year of the anime that was released. Or, of course, you can search as well. So if I go top right here to search, you can search for it as well. Now, if you go to an anime, let's say for example you want to watch 07 Ghost, right? And you press play, and you get an error message. That means this is a premium anime. It requires a premium account. But if, let's say, for example, let's say you want to watch Boruto, you go to, let's say, episode 1, season 1, and start watching. If it starts right away, that means this is a free anime. You can watch the whole episode. The only downside is before the episode, in the middle of the episode, and at the end of the episode, you will get an advertisement. Crunchyroll is a huge company, and they provide lots and lots of anime. They're mostly English subbed, but if you're an anime fan, you guys probably know what Crunchyroll is. A lot of their links are in full 720p or 1080p links. There's rarely any buffering at all. If there is buffering, it could be your device or internet connection, but they have extremely good servers, and they're almost up 24/7. There's rarely any dead links, and I don't think there is any dead links, because this is one of the official legal ways to watch, all the good animes that's online. This is not like a third-party anime app. Whatever you watch inside of Crunchyroll, Crunchyroll has the licenses for these specific animes. You can also go to drama as well if you guys want to watch drama. That's in there as well. And if you go into the settings section, by default, a lot of these, like the premium and accounts, of course, you can only sign in, and then you see the options. But a lot of them actually do have settings where you can modify without an account. Like right now, for example, I go to account, you'll see that I don't have an account. So I'm demoing this application as a free user. Just go to about, you see the version of it, etc. You can also change subtitle language. So you have a bunch of languages right here. And let's say you want to search for an anime. So I'll go top right hand corner. Search. Let's, for example, type in Naruto. Press play. And as you guys can see, it has every single episode. Let's go, for example, the first episode. Click play. Start watching. Again, right after you watch the advertisement, the actual entire show starts right away. And again, this is not one of those third-party, apps which stream off multiple servers. Everything is one-click play. Everything is in HD if it's available. And there's no dead links. Rarely I see buffering. If you're getting buffering, I suggest looking at your device or your box. But this is the official apps, and quote-unquote legal way to watch all these animes. And the app itself is really, really simple. You basically have the homepage, search for new animes. Now the new section, of course, you're going to notice that a lot of these episodes don't work because they require premium. To see that little crown in the bottom right hand corner, that crown means premium. So all these new episodes here require you to have a premium account. But if they don't have it, usually it means it works. Let's, for example, go ahead and try One Piece as well. I know One Piece is a pretty popular one. One Piece. So for example, the newest episode probably won't let me watch, but if I go a couple episodes down, let's say the second last episode, it should let me watch it if it's not a premium anime. There you go. So One Piece works, but I bet you the newest episode, it's not gonna let me. Even if 892 is the newest one, I'm not sure. There you go. So let's watch the newest one as well. Again, it's an amazing application, and it's a must-have if you guys are an anime fan. Now you guys are probably wondering, how do I get this application? Can't be any easier. And the Android Fire TV stick, or Amazon box, or phone, or tablet, you literally just search for Crunchyroll in the App Store. In this case here, I'm on my Amazon Fire TV stick. I'm gonna go back home. To download it, just go to the search and type in Crunchyroll. Simple as that. It's really simple. Once you search for Crunchyroll, you can go ahead and install it. It's also available if you have an NVIDIA Shield, if you have an Android TV box or phone, any Android device, you search for it, and you install it, and you are good to go. And there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.